Hey guys! So today I am doing an unboxing video. Super excited about this. I am going to be showing you guys my little Provocateur haul. I love unboxing videos, but I especially love when my unboxing videos feature everything that's on sale. I feel like I did not buy one full price item. You know that if you know me, it hurts my soul to buy things at full price. Also, I'm super excited to announce that I am an affiliate with AP now, which means if you shop at Provocateur through my link below, I do receive a small commission. And yeah, I'm super excited about it because it's one of my favorite lingerie brands ever. Like when I first started Findom, I remember saying that one of my goals was to replace all of my Victoria's Secret lingerie with Provocateur lingerie. And I am proud to say that, you know, all these years later, I have successfully reached that goal. So today I'm going to do this unboxing for you guys, but I also first, I'm gonna go through my existing Provocateur lingerie collection with you guys, just to show you my little collection and what I have kind of amassed over the years and the things that I love the most and all that good stuff. So I thought it would be like a cute peek into the brand for you guys to see what my current collection is. So here's a peek into my Provocateur collection. I have it all laid out, so I'm gonna pick up the camera and show you guys. So this is my little Provocateur collection. It is actually not my complete collection because I'm missing a few pieces because they're in the laundry and stuff like that. But anyway, this is a bunch of my favorite stuff. I really love the quality and colors and materials they use. Lots of like detail and lace and trim and scalloping and embroidery and all that good stuff. This is a cute set. That's another one. And then I have a few slip dresses from them as well, like this yellow piece and that dark green piece. Such a dramatic piece. I love that piece. One of my favorite things that Provocateur makes actually is these. These are permanent pasties. So they're reusable. You don't have to like, you know, peel them off and throw them away. You can just use double stick tape or the adhesive stickers that Provocateur provides. I've also heard of girls using eyelash glue to stick them on, but basically they're great. Like they work like regular pasties, except you don't have to throw them out, which is so wasteful. And they're really pretty, and they come to like a little point, so it kind of gives you like, if you're wearing these under clothes, it gives you kind of like a hard nips effect. But yeah, these are super cute. These are the pink glitter, red, and these like rose goldish ones. But yeah, this is my little collection. I actually own a lot of their sister brand. Provocateur has a little sister brand called L'Agent, and L'Agent is, you know, it's the price point is lower, and they also make a bunch of cute stuff. I'll probably try to do a L'Agent haul video or something at some point. But basically, L'Agent makes like my everyday underwear, and then Provocateur is kind of like my more special occasion type underwear. But yeah, I love their stuff. Like, look how colorful and frilly and lacy and detailed all this stuff is, you know? Okay, so I am going to start unboxing. Let's start with the smallest box first. All pretty, cute stickered tissue paper. Ooh, love this. Lacy and floral the embroidery is. I love that. Okay, I'm so huge on like details, and any like fine detailing is like, oh, it's so pretty. I love this. And this set is on sale right now, so go grab it if it's still up. I'm super excited that I snagged this in my size too. She's so beautiful. I can't wait to put her on. Okay, cool. First box is done. Second box. Okay. Second box. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Okay, so first thing that's in here that I'm super excited about, new pair of those permanent pasties. These are like in the shape of a strawberry. I love strawberries. Strawberries are my favorite fruit. And have been since I was a little girl, so I saw these and I had to have them. Super excited about that. And like I said, these come with stickers, but once you run out of the stickers, you can use other double-sided tape or eyelash glue. Alright, and to match the strawberry set, or the strawberry pasties, I got this set that's embroidered with all these small little strawberries. Super excited about that. And then that comes with the matching thong. Oh, and look, this is the matching thong for that other set I just unveiled. So that other set I have the thong and the briefs. And then, ooh, this is some like real old vintage pinup style stuff. This is a suspender skirt. I love that it has like this gold zipper on the back. Very cute. I'm all about the details, and Agent Provocateur nails details really well in terms of all their hardware always being like gold or rose gold, or it's just details. Like I said, I love details. Next thing in that collection is the matching brief for this. Super excited about this. This is again like a very like pin-up, old school lingerie look. And final box. Oh, final box. So that's the matching bra to that set. Oh, the matching like boy shorts, I guess. I think I accidentally ordered 2 pairs of the boy shorts. This is the second pair of boy shorts. Whoops, accidentally ordered 2 of those, but always good to have 2 on hand in case something happens to the other ones. I don't know. And then this final set is this. It has all this like hot pink scalloping on top of the like aqua mint vibe we got going on. And then we got the brief. So that is it for my Agent Provocateur haul. I am super excited about it. I can't wait to like try all this stuff on. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you are interested in shopping Agent Provocateur, please shop through my link below. I will get a commission on that. If you enjoyed this, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And join me next time for another unboxing or haul.